Let me share some tips with you regarding the assignment Quadratic Quandry. I love quadratics. Quadratic. In example number 1, it says on planet X, the height, h meters, of an object fired upward from the ground at 48 meters per second is described by the equation h equals 48t minus 16t squared, where t seconds is the time since the object was fired upward. There's 2 tasks. One of them is to determine the maximum height of the object, and then the other is to determine the times at which the object is 32 meters above the ground. A couple things about this function first is that it is not in standard form because our square is showing in the second term. We can easily rearrange to write it in that expected standard form, and I could actually put a plus 0 here, and that would mean that my a value is negative 16, my b value is 48, and my c value would be 0. This function shows us with an a value of negative 16 that this parabola is going to open down, which makes sense. And the 2 things that you're going to explore are finding what that max is, or the vertex, and then also you're interested in the times at which the object is 32 meters from the ground, and I have to believe that that is going to happen most likely twice when you have a height of 32 meters. The question is, what time values go along with that? That'll help you with number 1. In number 2, you're interested in finding a profit based on an equation if no customers visit a store. If n is the number of customers, you're going to solve the profit when n equals 0. And in part B, for example 2, the question is how many customers, what n is needed to have a profit of $80,000. The easiest way to get to that answer may be to put the equation into your y equals and examine a table of values. The same strategy would be used for example 3 regarding a population of a city, and you're given a standard form equation there. Good luck.